The aroma of steaming turmeric leaves is enough to bring back beautiful memories. Patolyo is one of Goa's most cherished traditional sweets, loved across generations. Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Noila Creations. In a bowl, I am adding 1 cup of Goan parboiled rice. I'll wash it 2 times with plain water. Now I'll soak it in water overnight. Here I have turmeric leaves. I wash them with plain water and I wipe them with a cloth. Now we will cut off the edges of the turmeric leaves. Fresh turmeric leaves make this recipe truly special. Their natural aroma is what makes Patolyo so unique. Now we will keep the turmeric leaves aside and prepare the stuffing. To prepare the stuffing, in a bowl, add 1 cup of grated coconut, half cup of chopped palm jaggery, 1/4 cup of chopped sugarcane jaggery. You may add jaggery as per your taste. We will mix this well. Add salt, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix this well. The stuffing is ready. We'll keep it aside and now we will prepare the rice paste. I drained the water and washed the rice 2 times with plain water. Now we will transfer the rice into a mixer jar. Add salt. Add little water as required. Cover with the lid and grind into a thick smooth paste. Now we will transfer the rice paste into a bowl. Place a turmeric leaf on the plate. Place a portion of the rice paste and spread it like this. It should be neither too thick nor too thin. Place the coconut and jaggery stuffing in the center like this. Close and press like this at the edges. By the way, if you like this video, do give it a like, hype, share it with your family and friends and subscribe for more recipes. Now it's time to steam this beautiful Patolyo. I placed water in the steamer and let it boil. Now carefully place the Patolyos. I made 14 Patolyos with this recipe. Cover with the lid and steam for 20 minutes. Patolyos are ready. Turn off the flame. Opening a freshly steamed patoli is always exciting. As the leaf unfolds, the warm aroma escapes first, followed by the sight of the soft rice layer and sweet coconut filling hidden inside. With every bite, you experience the sweetness of jaggery, the richness of coconut, the softness of the rice layer, and the aroma of turmeric leaves. See you all soon in my next video. Until then, happy cooking. Sending you calmness and good wishes always. Thanks for watching.